What's up guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll show you how to install Corvus 7.0 on your Redmi K20 Pro device. So don't waste time, let's boot. So as you can see that now I'm running on Bliss version 12.9 and I'm going to switch to Corvus 7.0. So if you are in MIUI then you just have to do the same. And make sure that your phone is bootloader unlocked and recovery installed. First, you have to power off your phone, then you just have to press the volume up and power button simultaneously until it's turned on into the recovery. So after booted into recovery, you need some files to flash. So I already provided the links of this file in the description box, so go and check and download it from there. If your download has done, then see the next step. So if you are coming from MIUI, then try to take a backup of your data. If you are not, then also you can. Now next is you have to go to the wipe section, then select Delvik Cache System Data. And if you are already in vendor version 12.0.1.0, then no need to select the vendor. If you are not, then only select the vendor. And you have to just swipe to wipe it. So after wiping those partitions, you need to go to the file section and you have to locate those downloaded files. So here I am using a USB OTG to store those. If you guys are also using OTG, then you just have to select the storage and you have to set it as a USB storage. Then you just have to locate those files. In my case, I saved it as a Corvus K20 Pro folder. So first you have to flash the latest vendor 12.0.1.0. So this is the latest one. So you just have to swipe to flash it. So you can see that it's now flashing and you have to wait for a minute. You must have to remember that you couldn't flash Corvus 7.0 without this version of this vendor. So the vendor flashing process is done. Then you have to wipe the cache and Delvik. Then again go back to the file path location. After that you have to flash the Disable DA Variety Force Encryption file. So this file is basically stands for to keep decrypt your phone, and always flash this file after flashing vendor. So after flashing you have to again wipe cache and Delvik, then go back to the file, then this time you have to flash the Corvus version 7.0. In terminal, a Corvus logo has come, so it means it's properly installing. If you guys get any kind of error, then join our Telegram channel. I will try to solve it. So as you can see, the ROM has successfully installed. Again wipe the Delvik and cache. So I downloaded this ROM as a vanilla version, so that's why I need to flash the OpenGApps ARM64 file. But you guys can also download the OpenGApps included ROM also. That time you don't need to flash the OpenGApps. So the OpenGApps file is fully flashed. Now again wipe the cache and Delvik, and this time you have to flash the Disable DM Variety Force Encryption files again. So after that, if you want your phone as a rooted one, you can flash the Magix version 20.4. If you guys are coming from MIUI, then you have to format your data. So for that you have to go to the menu, then manage partition, then select the data, then format data, and you have to type YES and just press the right click. And make sure to keep a backup of your internal data because it will format all of those. So after that you have to go to the reboot, then reboot to the system. So finally the Corvus logo has come, and it means our flashing process is truly done. And it will take some time to take boot for first time. So my device is turned on and I just have to perform the setup section for first time. So my setup is fully completed and I am redirected to the home screen. Now see in about phone that the Corvus logo is showing and the Corvus version is showing as 7.0 official. So this was a full installation guide of Corvus 7.0 on your Redmi K20 Pro device. I will make a review video of it and I will run benchmark test. So stay tuned, stay with us. Like, share and subscribe my channel. It will encourage me to do more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.